good. You're so pretty. Oh, there's a camera. Alright, let's see what he thinks about the snow here. Let me see it on this side. Ooh, it's windy. Woo! Do you feel that?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. You want to touch it? Look, Leo. Look, Leo. You want to touch it? Look. What? You're not even looking. Look, Leo. He sees the camera. Look, Leo. Look what mommy has. Get it. Get it, Leo. He's like, I don't even care. Look, Leo. Get it. Get it. No? Get it. Get it, Leo. You got it. He's holding it. He just picked it up. Oh. Well, that was that.
Bye-bye. Look at the luscious eyes.
Luscious eyes. And that drooly mouth.
Oh yeah, that's the best part.